the mountain, to the White Birch Forest. Let's go! Going to the White Birch Forest. It is very famous because it's one of the K-drama shooting location. And here's Marimar, our facilitator. Yeah.
You wanna call me?
Yeah, if you want a tour, call Marimar. The tour only costs 5,000. Yeah, one. Transportation. And of course, Kuya, the photographer from Bebe. Yeah, mine. And of course, I will feature our Kim Soyeon. Kim Soyeon. Cho In Song and Kim Soyeon. Say hi to my subscribers. Kim Soyeon. The curly Kim Soyeon of It's Okay Not to Be Okay. Yes. So here we have. My gosh, we will climb mountain again and again. Have like pasalubong center here. Mushroom. Yeah, mushroom. Yes. Kuya, position. Yeah, that's the forest. The White Birch Forest. And of course another photographer. Cheetah. That the one we will go there? Group photo? Guys, we will have group photo there. And now we will have our photo group. Groupie. Miss Cheetah is setting up now. Professional photographer. And now, no. And we're going there to have a photo shoot. We will go up. I will stop here. Yeah. White Forest. And we have here
This is the birch.
White Birch. I will sit here. Look, it's so beautiful. And the trees with white. And our tour guide, Mr. David. Say hi, David. Yeah. And the photographer. So many photographers. This is the highlight of our trip. Ah, sunshine. This is the White Forest. So Kuya, how's the tree?
It's white.
It's white?
It's okay, but it looks good in photo.
But in
In reality, it's like normal, but it's just photogenic maybe. But this place is really good for winter, I guess.
yes, it's good for winter.
Winter because
During
it will
winter.
turn white. Now it's just like transitioning from orange to
Yeah,
white.
yeah, orange to white, and the sun is really good. Let's go down. So
Oh,
it's
this is
another.
forest because we want
Yes.
to vaccinate.
Wondaeri White Birch Forest, where you can find white trees. You are ready. Let's go. So 안녕하세요. So here we are, still here, taking photo shoots every corner of the forest because we only passed this way once. So we're making the most out of it. So you can see there, we will go there, up there. It's far and well, it's forests. You can see the white trees there. See? It's really beautiful, right? It's only in Korea. So stay tuned. guys, we're walking backwards.
You just need to block and you disappear.
You guys,
Your body hydrates when you walk.
because it's hard. Another challenge for me.
I feel like it reminds me when I went for the first time.
It's so, we're going up there. And my heart again. I'm walking backwards. Yes, guys, I'm walking backwards. I think it's more effective. Like, it's not, it's not, hindi siya masyado nakakapagod. Pero pagod na ako. What is that? Yeah, this is the new trend now. This is the new normal. When you climb mountain, climb backwards, not forward, so that you will not know how steep you're going. But I can see now because look, I can see in my video how stupid I am. So funny. Let's go. Don't stop. One down. Our friend is here. How's your trip? Did you find the forest? A lot of trees. Yeah, it's so tiring.
My blood sugar goes down.
So now we're going down, and this is how to go down. Thanks to my friends. And now this ends the trip, the tour to White Birch Forest. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the bell button below. Click subscribe so that you will be notified. Oh, thanks for watching. See you in my next vlog.